Good evening, friends. Namaskar, doston. I'm Ina Singh, the founder of Khwab Zindagi Ke, back again with another family who has gone through this pandemic, and they are going to share their experience with you. Family number 12 of Mr. Satish Jarande. He is from Mumbai, and his family went through this COVID, how they fought it and how they came out of it. He's going to share everything with you. He is from the oil and gas industry, and he would be sharing his experience with all of you. Please welcome Satish Jarande. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Ina. It's really a good opportunity to share my COVID days experience with the audience. Basically, maybe it can give some confidence to them later once they hear about my experience. Could be other ways around as well. But this the difficult situation. This kind of situation is all it comes in everybody's life. Everyone must be facing this ups and downs in life, but to be very honest, this was totally new to everyone, to be very honest. It has really caught everyone unaware. For that matter, even our great doctors and even scientists, they were not aware of this particular pandemic, which
Correct.
is yeah, coming further.
Mhm.
So however, what we need to do in this particular case is, what I feel, what I did was, I kept patience. I said nothing doing. Let us be let us be patient in this. If you get little wary, then things will might go out of your hand.
Satish, we would like to know कि ये आपको कब हुआ था, at what time of the year, and how many days it was there, who all were infected by this in your family, and how did you manage it?
Just to go back a little, this happened to me in the month of August.
Okay.
Last August, that is to 2020. Actually, it started, as everybody knows that it started around March, April
Mhm.
last 2020, and from that day onwards, we were in the lockdown, of course, and we were keeping a lot of we were maintaining hygiene, this that, lot many things were happening all around. But in our house also, we were following a lot of protocols given by the doctors and also our prime minister and this ICMR and all those people.
Mhm.
We were doing a lot many things, but fortunate, I do not know. It came into my life during Ganesha time,
Okay.
during the August, yeah, during month of
Ganesh
August.
Chaturthi was the occasion at
Uh,
that time. All right.
yes, correct. So we also have Ganesha at our house for 1.5 day. But before that, 2-3 days before Ganesha festival, my mother, my wife, actually, she was down a little bit, uh, and it was a normal, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, अपने symptoms. We were not aware so much. We were not so learned as we are now. About the corona. During that time, she was getting the body ache. My mother was she was a bit unwell. She used to tell me, I'm
Mhm.
not feeling so good and all. But during that time, what I felt was, it is just a normal minor things. Because why? Because nobody was moving out of the house, you see. We were totally
Mhm.
following the protocols of the government as well as the doctors, and we were not moving out of the house at all, except myself. But during the first time, in fact, we were getting all our groceries and everything from big basket, or maybe DMart and all. So
Okay.
there was just no way we thought like this particular COVID will come into our life.
Mhm.
But what happened was, as I told you, that my wife was a bit she was she was saying that my body is giving some symptoms. So I said, okay, we'll do one thing, we'll go to the doctor.
Mhm.
So just next building, in fact, we have a clinic, and they are
Mhm.
my family doctor.
Mhm.
So to her. She checked. She said nothing. I mean, it's just a minor cyst in her throat, and she gave
Okay.
some medicines during that time. And then we came back. And then after that, she developed more symptoms. And but still, even those symptoms were there. They were not very serious, I would say. I mean, we never thought of going to the hospital or take her, and it was not that kind of a situation, to be honest. But my mother, like parallelly, she was down and chills sometimes. She was getting a fever. She was getting fever, but that fever was not that high that it would I would take her to the doctor. I gave her a paracetamol for the first day. That kind of symptoms we had in the beginning. But then my one of my cousin, he's a Ayurvedic doctor. His name is Mangesh Dimle. I called him up and I just gave him a filler that this is what is happening with my family, and I do not really know in this kind of situation what am I supposed to do, because I am unable to go down. It's very it's not the right time to go to the doctors also. But still, I had been once to the doctor with my wife because she insisted taking her. So he said, nothing doing. You do one thing. You give her AC 500 first, my mother, and start protocol which have. So he gave me paracetamol, he gave her, and while he said with it. 2 days I took it. My mother took it, and after on the fourth day, uh, we saw that this fever is not coming down. So then what I did is I took my mother to the doctor. Same my family doctor. She said, doctor said, look, her oxygen level is around 96 at that time. But I feel that she is got some symptoms, and in fact, you all also should get yourself checked. I said, okay, fine, we'll do that. So I brought my mother up to my house, and then what we did is first myself and my wife went to the, that time that the other facility was also available, like rapid antigen test. You used to get the, even today it is there. Within 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you get the, results out. So we went to Nerul, it's maybe you're aware of. So, we went there, we got it tested, and to our shock, it came positive. We were positive there. So, but for me, it was totally asymptomatic. I had no symptoms. But we together, myself and my wife also got it tested. So, we came back, told the doctor that this is a problem. So she said, okay, what you do is you immediately start off with the, that time this Febiflu, and this protocol was administered by this doctors. So she immediately gave me those medicine for my mother, my wife, and myself. Mother, what we did is next day when we got ourselves tested positive, then next day we called for a RT-PCR. Okay, RT-PCR is that we get a confirm result that whether you are really positive or negative. So we called for that. The next day we got the result for ourselves also that we were positive. So we spoke to the doctor, and she said, at least your mother, you should get herself admitted.
So all three of you got positive for that, Satish. Satish, all three of you got positive results for all three of you got the positive results for RT-PCR, or it was
yes.
Okay.
No. We all three of us got RT-PCR because rapid antigen. I don't know, but people used to say that doctors told me that get RT-PCR also done, so to get yourself confirmed. So we did that, and we got the results out. So my doctor told me that you get her what do you call chest X-ray done first. And we did that X-ray, and based on that X-ray, she said, there is some involvement of the lungs, okay, so of your mother. So you please get her admitted. So we said, okay. We were a little shocked, I mean, we were not thinking that whether, this will really happen with me, because I was following so much at that point of time, because in my whole society, everybody used to praise me that, you're the only one who's following so much. And, this thing came to me. So it was like, a shocker to me. But anyways, it's part of life, it happens. You never know how it gets to you, gets on to you. So we took it, positively. I took my mother. It is, as I told you, that the clinic is next door, and the COVID center. Luckily, that time there was some, beds available, and during that time it
Correct.
was
How you
not
manage it is
a
more
issue
important.
as far as the beds were concerned.
Mhm.
Sorry, hello. I didn't hear your question.
Yeah,
Hello.
nee, I did not ask you anything. You were telling about that it was you got your mother admitted to the hospital very nearby. How many days is this?
Yeah,
After how many
it
days did you admit
was
her?
just next door only. Basically,
All right.
let me tell you honestly, it was like, 3 days. She was on antibiotic. The
Mhm.
fourth day we got the results, and fifth day we admitted her on the fifth
Okay.
day.
All right. All right.
Yeah. So on the fifth day, the morning we got the X-ray done. I showed it to the doctor. Doctor told me immediately, there is some involvement of the lungs. You get her admitted. So I got her admitted.
Mhm.
But that particular phase was, I just cannot forget that phase of my life. My mother that time, she was like, she said, she looked at me in such a manner, that I was like, fully down. She said, how
Satish, I think
I
there is
have not
some
even moved
internet
from
issue at your
ground,
place. Maybe
and
because of that, we are not able to hear
it's
properly.
just 2 days from. Hello.
Yes, Satish, now we can hear you properly. Actually, in between, your voice was breaking a little.
Okay.
So
No, I was just.
if you can repeat it again, what you said just few minutes back, starting from where your mother was looking at you and she was thinking.
Yeah. That time, she was like, she looked at me, and she in such a manner that I was fully down. I could not answer her. Why this has happened. She asked me why this happened to me. I said I have no answer, but it is not. It's nobody's fault. Basically, I was like, I was without any words. I had nothing to say. I could not tell her that this happens. It is in nobody's hand. So
Correct.
अभी हो क्या है, हम क्या कर सकते हैं. But she was like, she was half down. She was like, I could see her that she was totally out of confidence. She was
Completely
literally
demotivated,
afraid,
you can say. Confidence was low. Mhm.
very low, and
So
she
how did
was
you
like,
motivate her at that point? आपने क्या
she
किया
was
उसके लिए?
very afraid. She was.
Mhm.
Uh, मैंने उसको सिर्फ इतना बोला कि look, this is the testing times. We have to, with vigor, we have to face this. You only think, the only thing what you have to do is, डरने का नहीं है. You should not be afraid now. You
Mhm.
go. I will take you there. uh, be fearless. Nothing will happen. You're almost asymptomatic sort of a thing. You have got very less symptoms. This fever
Mhm.
will be down, we will come out of this fever within few
Correct.
days. And you don't worry about anything. You
Mhm.
just go simply, stay stable there. That's it. You should don't worry about the house. I'm there here. I will look after everyone. You go there, and you just listen to the doctors what they say, and follow their procedures, whatever they tell you, do this, do that,
Right.
whatever,
Right.
XYZ. Yeah.
Okay.
So I
How
took her
was the
there.
journey there?
But it is just next door, only, I
Mhm.
took her on my bike only, I just next door. So I
Okay.
took her on my bike, and
Mhm.
yeah. But there, you have to leave her a little, few miles away, I mean, you cannot just enter into the hospital.
Mhm.
उसको थोड़ा सा, पहले ही they stop you at the entrance, the gate, and they tell you please be away, we will take her inside, you know
Okay.
वो जब situation पूरा था, it was like, I just cannot forget those, that situation, what we went through.
Mhm.
She was like, she was, completely looking in my eyes, all the time, she was looking in my eyes only कि ये क्या हो रहा है, ये कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है
Mhm.
कि आगे चल के क्या होने वाला है. मैं बोला कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. You have to be little cool and calm. Just be cool. That's it. You don't have to worry at all. आप जाओ, मैं I will manage everything. So she went inside, and there, the best thing was, all the doctors were my friends. The
Okay.
doctors, treating doctors were my friends, and even because the hospital is just next door to me,
Mhm.
so every day we keep talking to each other,
Mhm.
so they told me that don't worry, I will take full care of your mother.
Mhm.
यू गो होम. तो मैं घर पे आ गया. मैं घर पे आने के बाद में, लाइक आई थॉट, लाइक शी वाज टोटली डाउन यार. इवन इफ आई
Mhm.
ट्राई टू गिव हर लिटिल सपोर्ट, बट कुछ हुआ नहीं. मुझे फिर भी रात भर मैं सोचते रहा कि हाउ शी विल बी डूइंग, बिकॉज क्या है ना, एज फरीद ऑल्सो टोल्ड द अदर डे, ये सब पूरा गेम जो है ना, फियर का है. ये जो
Mhm.
डर का गेम है, अगर आप डर जाओगे ना, तो
Mhm.
पूरा आदमी पूरा डाउन हो जाता है. तो
Correct.
मैंने क्या सोचा कि एक काम करता हूँ मैं. आई विल गो विथ हर. दो आई वाज एसिम्प्टोमेटिक, आई थॉट लाइक आई विल गो विथ हर. मैं उसके साथ रह लूंगा. So
Mhm.
my wife said, that is the case, even I don't want to stay here alone. I also would like to come with you. I
Mhm.
said, okay, you are also most welcome to come, no problem. तो
Mhm.
हमने इमिडिएटली एक डॉक्टर से बोल के हमारा भी बुक कर लिया उधर रूम. और हम लोग दैट वेरी नाइट, लेट नाइट, we also got admitted over there. So
Mhm.
the reason of getting admitted was, just to give her a support to my mother, so that I am also there with you, because she was, feeling lonely and all. So I thought like, वो और डाउन हो जाएगी. इसके लिए मैंने क्या
Here I
सोचा.
think I would like to say something. वो time ऐसा था, सतीश, you were able to get the beds. अब situation ये है कि there are no beds
No
available.
beds, no bed.
So
Yes, we
people
were
are
lucky.
suffering. That's a very good thing. You got the
Hmm.
chance to be with your mom.
Yeah,
But जो आजकल लोग जा रहे हैं, वो मुझे लग रहा है बिल्कुल अकेले जा रहे हैं, और उनको
yeah,
अपने साथ कहीं ज्यादा हिम्मत लेकर जानी है और
absolutely,
वहां से
absolutely,
सक्सेसफुली वापस आना है. बिकॉज आपकी हिम्मत
exactly,
ही आपकी
exactly,
साथी है इस समय.
exactly.
फैमिली से भी पहले आपकी हिम्मत है जो आपके साथ है. ये सतीश, नाउ यू कैन कंटिन्यू, प्लीज
Correct,
टेल
correct. So जैसे मैं उधर गया, and she saw me, she was like, she came down, she cooled down, तो एकदम से उसका शक्ल में, I could see that, she is now calm. वो fear जो था, वो fear निकल गया. और she started, responding nicely, but that doctor, the next day the doctor said, she's really responding nicely. उसको that very day we had, they had given oxygen. Next day जैसे मैं उधर एंट्री किया, तो नेक्स्ट डे से उसका ऑक्सीजन चला गया, निकल गया. ऑक्सीजन देने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ा. वी वर देयर हार्डली फॉर 2-3 days, वी वर हार्डली देयर फॉर 2-3 days. 2-3 दिन में डॉक्टर टोल्ड मी दैट, आप आने की वजह से आपके मदर को थोड़ा सा हौसला आया है. तो आप अभी क्या है कि अगर आप अभी चले भी जाते हैं, इवन इफ यू गो, नथिंग टू वरी. शी इज नाउ आउट ऑफ दिस थिंग, प्रॉब्लम अभी नहीं है. तो आप चले जाइए. तो मैंने माँ को जाके बोला कि देखो, अभी आप जो है, यू स्टे फॉर अ डे, दे जस्ट वांट टू मॉनिटर यू फॉर ओनली 1 day. एक दिन में आप, यू विल ऑल्सो कम आउट. तो एक दिन में मेरे ख्याल से हम लोग उस 2-3 दिन हम रहे वहाँ पे. एंड आफ्टर 3 days वी केम आउट, एंड माय मदर केम. देन very next day I went and took her, brought her also back. So that was it. But during that point of time, my two children, they were here, and luckily just next door मेरा room एक खाली मिल गया था मेरे को, so I could shift my both my children's in that house,
Okay.
and they were safe.
How old are your children, Satish? How old are they?
They were safe. My my daughter is basically she must be around 17 18 years old, and my son 14 15 years old. Yeah, he's in 10th standard and she's just finished her 12th, and she was that time she was in the first year MBBS. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So this is in short. I maybe have taken a little longer to explain,
No,
but
that's perfectly all
yeah,
right. You have mainly spoken about कि डर
yeah,
डर हमें कहीं ना कहीं मौत की तरफ ले जा रहा है, और डर ही ऐसी चीज है जिससे हम लड़ भिड़ कर वापस आ रहे हैं. What I
absolutely.
understand, you have to
Correct.
fight with your fear
Fight
from
with your
inside. And I would also like to know कि आपने उस समय precautions क्या क्या ली, in
uh,
consultation with a doctor, in consultation with the knowledge you had at that time,
true,
awareness
true,
you had about it, तो किन चीजों का
true.
आपने ध्यान रखा once you
Yeah.
got infected?
सी ऑनेस्टली अगर आपको मैं बताऊं तो मैं पहले से ही ध्यान रख रहा था, एंड बट आफ्टर वी गॉट इन्फेक्टेड first of all, firstly, in my whole house, we started maintaining distance with each other also, and we were also wearing mask in the
Fantastic.
house. We were wearing mask in the house, and of course the medicines जो भी लेने हैं वो हर एक का मेडिसिन.
Satish here, I would like to stop you. Beautiful thing, two things you have pointed out, जो हम घरेलू तौर पे I think सभी कर सकते हैं. Social distancing in the house itself. ये कुछ समय है जो हमें अपनों से भी थोड़ा सा दूर रह के बिताना है, उनकी सेफ्टी के लिए. Very important.
True, true.
That is good. And second, बहुत लोग इस चीज को नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं कि हमें घर के अंदर भी जितना हो सके मास्क का यूज करना है when we are around each other.
Absolutely,
That will
absolutely,
also help.
absolutely.
That's great,
Correct,
Satish. और आपने
correct,
क्या
correct.
क्या किया था
Okay, that was
गाइड
one,
करेंगे other than social distancing mask?
yeah. Other than this, I was also, everybody does this, they taking steam, steam लेना जो है, वो regularly हम लोग जो है सुबह, दोपहर और रात को सोते वक्त सोने से पहले we used to take steam, and our regular medicines we used to follow that. But primarily what I did was, for every family members, including my children's, along with the steam, I told them you have to do pranayam. Pranayam
Okay.
was, yeah, because in this, the lungs have to be more strong. तो lungs को आप strong जितना करोगे उतना effect आपका जो है वो कम हो जाएगा. Okay, तो I told them सुबह दोपहर शाम we used to do 3 times. Steam जैसे ही खत्म हो गया आपकी तो we used to do your pranayam. तो प्राणायाम में जैसे
प्राणायाम में
आपको
आप क्या
सबको
क्या
पता,
करते थे मेनली? What you used to
प्राणायाम
do?
में प्राणायाम में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल breathing in and out, take the breathe in, breathe out, then भस्त्रिका, भस्त्रिका जो है वो, and lom vilom. This
Okay.
3 things we used to do. Yeah, these three things, and there is one more before this 3 asanas. We used to do manduka asan. This manduka asan is again, I cannot explain you right away here, but that is also very very important. That makes your internal organs more stronger.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, manduka asan is very
आई थिंक
important.
हमारी ऑडियंस वो चेक कर सकती है जाकर मंडूका आसन कैसे किया जाता है.
Correct.
दिस
Yeah,
इज नॉट द प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर वी वुड बी डिस्कसिंग दैट, बट
correct.
ये सिर्फ एक इंफॉर्मेशनल मैसेज है कि हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं कोविड के टाइम पर अपने आप को. अच्छा, इस समय पर टोटल आपको कितने दिन लगे सतीश इस प्रॉब्लम से निकलने में, द एंटायर
Uh,
फैमिली इफ वी टॉक अबाउट? यू सेड इन अगस्त. कौन सी डेट थी जिस दिन ये आपको शुरुआत हुई थी और कब तक आप निकल पाए इससे? If you can remember a
Basically,
little.
yeah, definitely I remember, because as I told you, it was Ganpati festival time. It was 23rd of August, where on 23rd August Visarjan हुआ गणपति का हमारा. हमने घर पे ही किया, because that time we were not allowed to take the Ganpati out. So we did it in our house only. And very next day, we did all this, getting ourselves tested and everything. And
Okay.
from the day of the symptoms, I remember my RT-PCR came negative on 7th of September.
Okay.
7th or 14th of September. I'm not exactly sure, but
Mhm.
almost after 18 to 20 days.
Okay.
18 to 20 days, because the doctors told me that 14 days तक आपको घर में ही रहने का है. 14 to 17
Mm.
days you should not venture out at all. And specifically during this time, I would like to say that my building members, they really helped me a lot by getting the grocery, by getting whatever I needed. Just opposite my house, there is one gentleman called Mr. Joshi. He also helped me a lot. Then there is one guy just below me, Kumbhavde. He also got a lot of groceries for me. Because I told them very clearly, because if I venture out, it's a threat to you all. So it is
Correct.
better. It is better that you, during this point of time, you should help me out. And they did it, on their own. I did not have to force them or push them for anything. They used to on their own call me and ask me what you want. हमको बताओ, हम लाके दे देंगे. They used to put it in, place it in front of my door, and then we used to take all those things inside.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah,
This is a
yeah,
great thing. I
yeah,
think this is again an awareness that if people are infected with COVID,
yeah.
please help your neighbors out.
Correct.
You are the only ones next to them. आपके अलावा देखिए उनके रिलेटिव्स, उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स जो हैं वो काफी दूर हैं,
काफी दूर है. Yes, exactly.
वो नहीं
Exactly.
हेल्प करने के लिए आ सकते, तो नेबर्स ही हैं जो आपस में एक दूसरे की मदद कर सकते हैं.
Right,
एंड
right.
दिस इज द टाइम टू एक्चुअली हेल्प ईच अदर आउट एंड पुल ईच अदर आउट.
True,
We
true, true.
should not lose anybody just because of the small help. हेल्प बहुत छोटी छोटी है ये, लेकिन बहुत मैटर करती है. और अगर आप अपने नेबर्स को ये भी बोल देते हैं ना हम आपके साथ हैं, तो शायद
Right.
आप उनको जीवन दान वैसे ही दे देते हैं, एक ताकत दे देते हैं जीने के लिए कि यस
Correct,
तुम्हारे
correct.
साथ कोई ना कोई है. Isn't it Satish?
True,
You
true,
must
true.
have
I
felt at
fully
that
agree
time.
with you. Fully
और
agree with you.
अच्छा, बिफोर वी एंड दिस प्रोग्राम, कोई और चीज ऐसी है जो आप ऑडियंस को बताना चाहेंगे, जिस चीज का ऑडियंस को ध्यान रखना चाहिए खाने पीने में या किसी और चीज में, जिस चीज का उनको वाकई में ध्यान रखना चाहिए? एंड
Of course,
अनदर
of
थिंग आई
course.
वुड लाइक टू आस्क, ध्यान रखने के अलावा कि जब आप पोस्ट कोविड, क्या वीकनेस आप लोगों को
Yeah, yeah.
बहुत ज्यादा हुई?
No,
डिड
no,
यू
no. I'll
फील?
tell you. I'll tell you. This is also another subject of how to, get yourself accommodated during the post-COVID time. That time also it is very important. It is very important that you should follow the protocols. Otherwise, it's quite likely that it might, again put you down as far as your health is concerned. So after post during the post-COVID time also, you should not forget to do your pranayams. Do pranayams regularly, do exercise regularly, and you have to maintain your food habits also. I mean food habits in the sense, jitna ho sake you should go for vegetarian. Though people say that you should take protein intake, but protein intake is available in vegetarian foods also. So
Yes, you can go
jitna
for
ho
pulses
sake,
for the proteins.
pulses and nuts and many things.
Soya can
So
be taken for the
yes,
protein.
true,
Paneer can
true.
be taken, right?
पनीर, yes, of course. So खाने खाने का मतलब जो खाना पीना जो है, you have to really take care properly. And to be very honest, what I was also doing along with it is, after I got RT-PCR negative also, after that also I was getting, sometimes in between I used to get little, fever, in the sense, temperature below 100, of course. So I used to consult my doctor, my brother, who is in Pune. He gave me a few medicines, Ayurvedic medicines. You see,
Okay.
Ayurvedic medicines, in the sense, he gave me Arogya Vardhani tablet. Then he gave me some khara admi. Keep regularly taking it. And even now I take them, because just to keep your health fit.
Immunity high
Because
compared,
even
yes.
now, even if you go out, there are chances that, yeah, even if you go out, there are chances that you don't know what will happen. So keep your immunity intact.
Very true.
We have to take precaution in the manner that you should take your medicines on time. Not medicines, I
Correct.
would say, but this is a sort of a supplementary, I would say. Yeah.
Correct, correct.
So post
Satish,
COVID also you
very
have to
well
take a lot
said.
of care about yourself.
Yes, very well said that post COVID also we have to take a lot of care about ourselves, which usually
Yes.
people forget कि अब तो हमें हो चुका, अब कुछ नहीं होगा.
अब कुछ नहीं.
We just cannot think like that because it relapses also, it comes back also, it makes you very weak also, and since your body is already weak, if it attacks again, it will definitely be very devastating, and the results may not be the right ones. तो हमें ध्यान तो रखना ही है अपना. कोविड के दौरान भी हमें हिम्मत बना के रखनी है, अपने आसपास भी रखनी है, खुद के अंदर भी रखनी है, और पोस्ट कोविड हमें हर चीज का ध्यान रखना है. एज सतीश टोल्ड अस व्हाट प्रिकॉशंस टू टेक. खाने पीने पे ध्यान रखिए अपना, अपनी एक्सरसाइज स्पेशली ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज पे ध्यान रखिए, और हमें खुश रहने की भी कोशिश करनी है. हालांकि खुश रहना आसान नहीं है, क्योंकि सतीश चारों तरफ स्ट्रेस है, डिप्रेशन है, हम न्यूज खोलते हैं, सोशल मीडिया खोलते हैं, हमें कोई ना कोई चीज पूरे दिन में कहीं ना कहीं डिप्रेस करके चली जाती है. वी आर लूजिंग आवर नियर एंड डियर वंस, नो डाउट, लेकिन हमें जो हमारे पास ऑलरेडी लोग हैं उनको मोटिवेटेड रखना है. एंड आई थिंक फॉर दैट वी नीड टू मोटिवेट आवरसेल्व्स आल्सो. We can do meditation, we can listen to music, we can read good books, and the best is we should talk to our old friends, our neighbors. जब हमें समय मिले, हमें थोड़ा सा समय निकालकर टीवी से बचाकर आपस में बात करनी चाहिए. आपस में शायद हम अपने आप को बहुत मजबूत बना लेते हैं. Thank you so much, Satish, for giving so much of information about the way, about your experience also, and the way you handled it. Great, great. Thank you so much for coming on the show, this talk show, and sharing your valuable information and time with us. Thank you so much, Satish.
Thank you, Veena. Thanks. Take care. Bye.
You too. Bye bye.